Alex Koyfman is claiming a sub $1 stock will win the battery race and deliver gains of over 6,000%. However, he won't reveal the stock unless you pay him $2,000. The good news is he left enough clues in the presentation to figure out the stock, and I reveal it here for free. Just drop a like and subscribe if you appreciate me doing this for you. Let's get started. Before I reveal the stock, let's look at Koyfman's stock picking history from the last few years. Back in February 2021, Koyfman recommended Fuel Positive as a way to cash in on clean energy. He claimed this could gain over 11,000%, but the stock has crashed since Alex recommended it. There was a brief window to double your money, but that's nowhere close to 11,000%. In December 2021, Koyfman recommended Joby Aviation and called it Air Tesla. Koyfman claimed it could make up to 20,000%, but instead the stock has been down for the last few years. In January 2022, Koyfman recommended Byrna Technologies as the #1 non-lethal handgun. The stock hasn't done well though, and is down a little overall. SpotShotter is another stock recommended back in January 2022, and this was pitched as a way to lower gun violence. This stock is down overall since being pitched. In February 2022, Koyfman claimed Next Innovations would replace plastic, but the stock has gone nowhere since Koyfman said to buy it. In August 2023, Koyfman claimed Volt Lithium would save the EV industry. This stock has been crazy volatile, but it is actually up 70% since Koyfman said to buy it. Let's shift back to the teaser Koyfman just released and figure out the stock he's claiming will win the battery arms race. Koyfman starts the presentation by showing a picture of a substance and saying, "This weird substance may be the most important discovery of our lifetimes," and that it's bigger than artificial intelligence, crypto, 5G, or any other technology you've likely heard of. Koyfman goes further and says this material conducts electricity 150 times better than silicon, which is the industry standard used in all microchips today. Additionally, IBM estimates chips made with it will be 10,000 times faster, and Intel says this material is the future. Koyfman claims even more pretty crazy things about this mystery material, including it's also 200 times stronger than steel, harder than diamond, and it can withstand acids and heat of up to 1,300 degrees Fahrenheit, yet it's super light. A sheet big enough to cover an entire NFL football field weighs just 2 grams. Mixed with cement, tiny amounts of it can make bridges and tunnels 50% stronger. Woven into an ordinary t-shirt, it makes the fabric more than twice as bulletproof than a Kevlar vest. This mystery material is one that other stock pickers have mentioned recently, and it's graphene. Graphene stands out for its exceptional properties, being about 200 times stronger than steel while remaining extremely lightweight. Its excellent electrical conductivity surpasses that of copper, making it highly attractive for use in advanced electronics, semiconductors, and high-performance materials. Additionally, graphene's flexibility and transparency offer significant potential in developing flexible displays, touchscreens, and more efficient photovoltaic cells. However, graphene faces several challenges that hinder its widespread adoption. The production of high-quality graphene is still costly and difficult to scale, which limits its availability for commercial applications. Furthermore, while graphene is an outstanding conductor, it lacks a natural band gap, which is essential for creating efficient transistors used in digital electronics. This limitation means that graphene, while highly conductive, is less suited for applications that require switching between conducting and insulating states. Additionally, integrating graphene into existing manufacturing processes is complex and requires new technologies and methods that are still being developed. These challenges need to be addressed before graphene can achieve its full potential across various industries. I'm going to reveal the stock in about 30 seconds, but before I do, I want to tell you about Alpha Picks from Seeking Alpha, which is my favorite stock picking service. Alpha Picks gives you 2 picks a month and a complete portfolio of stocks to invest in, and since it started 2 years ago, it's been crushing the market. My favorite thing about Alpha Picks is that they recommend stocks most investors haven't heard of. For example, they recommended MI Homes in October 2022, and the stock has gained 332% since. They recommended Modine Manufacturing Company around the same time, and it's up 443%. And if you click the link in the description, you get $50 off this service. So make sure to click that link to take advantage of this amazing deal. Graphene Manufacturing Group is an Australian-based company specializing in the production of high-quality graphene and the development of graphene-based products. GMG primarily focuses on the energy storage and energy efficiency markets. Their innovative approach involves producing graphene from natural gas, which is more environmentally friendly and cost-effective compared to traditional methods. GMG is working on various applications of graphene, including batteries, lubricants, and coatings, aiming to leverage graphene's unique properties like high conductivity, strength, and flexibility. The company has gained attention for its work in developing graphene-enhanced batteries, which could offer significant advantages in terms of energy density, charge time, and overall performance compared to conventional batteries. Investing in Graphene Manufacturing Group, GMG, offers some compelling pros, particularly in the context of the rapidly growing graphene market and the company's innovative product portfolio. First, the global graphene market is experiencing significant growth, with projections indicating a compound annual growth rate of 43% from 2024 to 2034, potentially reaching a market size of $3.85 billion by the end of the forecast period. This surge in demand is driven by the increasing adoption of clean energy technologies, the rise of electric vehicles, and the broad application of graphene in industries such as energy storage, aerospace, and automotive sectors. Graphene Manufacturing Group is well positioned to capitalize on this market expansion due to its innovative products, including the graphene aluminum-ion battery and the thermal XR coating system. The aluminum-ion battery, in particular, offers significant advantages over traditional lithium-ion batteries, including faster charging times and longer lifespans, which are critical for the growing electric vehicle and energy storage markets. Moreover, GMG's strategic moves to commercialize its products are showing progress. For example, the company recently raised $3 million through a composite units offering, which underscores investor confidence and provides capital for further product development and commercialization. Another factor in GMG's favor is the fragmented nature of the graphene industry. With no single player dominating the market, GMG has the opportunity to establish itself as a leader, especially if it continues to innovate and scale its production capabilities. Investing in Graphene Manufacturing Group also comes with several notable risks and challenges that potential investors should carefully consider. First, GMG has been struggling financially, which is reflected in its recent earnings reports. For instance, the company reported a net loss of $6.63 million over the trailing 12 months. This indicates that the company is still in its early stages and has yet to achieve profitability, which could be concerning for investors looking for more stable financials. Additionally, GMG's stock has experienced significant volatility. Over the past year, the stock has declined by nearly 49%, which is considerably worse than the broader market and industry averages. Such volatility can be attributed to the speculative nature of the graphene market and the uncertainties surrounding GMG's ability to scale its operations successfully and achieve commercial success. Another challenge facing GMG is the high cost of graphene production, which remains a significant barrier to profitability. Although graphene is touted as a wonder material, the costs associated with its production are still relatively high, making it difficult for companies like GMG to compete with more established materials in various industries. Moreover, the competitive landscape for graphene is becoming increasingly crowded, with many new entrants and established companies vying for market share. This heightened competition could pressure GMG's margins and slow down its path to profitability. Finally, while GMG has a promising product portfolio, its success heavily depends on the commercialization and adoption of these products in a market that is still in its nascent stages. There is a risk that the market may not grow as quickly as anticipated, or that GMG may face challenges in scaling up production to meet demand, which could negatively impact its long-term prospects. In summary, while GMG is positioned in a high-growth industry with innovative products, the company's financial struggles, stock volatility, high production costs, and competitive pressures are significant risks that investors should weigh before making an investment. And if you really want to make money with the stock market, make sure to click the link in the description to check out Alpha Picks from Seeking Alpha. I've reviewed hundreds of stock picking services, and this one performs the best. Since its inception 2 years ago, it's absolutely been crushing the market and has tripled the returns of the market in that time period. And if you click the link in the description, you get $50 off this service. So make sure to click that link now and start investing the smart way.